Hello my friends, in today's video I'm going to show you the bags that are available on my website, and these are new arrivals. I sell pre-loved luxury bags, pre-owned. I'm very excited because this adventure is thanks to you, and every Wednesday I do a bag drop day. I release new arrivals, bags, new arrivals, luxury. And every Sunday it's a more classic videos, like for example vlogs, how to authenticate a Chanel bag, how to authenticate Louis Vuitton bags, lots of different types of videos, more classical. But let's come back here. I'm going to show you like some little bags and accessories that I received that are available on the website pamluxurystore.com. This is my own company with my fiancé Vincent. We are co-founder on this, and we ship worldwide with DHL Express. You won't have any customs to pay upon arrival. So if you're based in the US, Canada, Dubai, any other place in the world, Australia for even, it would be a dream to ship to Australia. We never shipped so far there. We already shipped tons of times in the US, Canada, Dubai itself, lots of different places, even Tahiti and so many places. So I feel very grateful, and this is insane to think about this. But it's like if you were shopping in your own country, so feel free to support us. And if you see an item that you like, we're here. Don't hesitate to contact me as well. I'm gonna start with the Chanel. Okay, let's start with a presentation of this beautiful Chanel classic flap, 25 centimeters. So it's a medium size. It's worth more than 10,000, even around 11,000 USD right now in store. This one will be amazing. I will give you the euro price on the screen, but I will also have the USD price available on the website. So if you want to shop in the USD, it's completely possible. You won't have any fees upon the price. And the price you see on our website is all included. You won't have taxes in the cart more. Everything is already included. It's not like in your country where everything is excluded and everything gets included in the cart. Here, everything gets in. So the price you see on the screen will be the final price. Well, you need to add shipping, but shipping is offered on orders more than 1,500 or 2,000 euro USD. So it's a good also news. Anyway, beautiful leather, gold plated. This is a vintage version. The leather is quite insane. We just have like little crack on the leather here. It's very minimalistic, very small, but still I have to tell you, corners are great, honestly. And look at the shape of the bag. It looks as new, actually, almost. The base is beautiful. Also here, I love this type of bag. The matelassé is beautiful. The chains now are a little bit tarnished with the time, but completely classic on these bags. It can happen over time. So you can wear the bag over the shoulder, or as well you could wear the bag in a crossbody, which gives you like the hands-free if you go for a shopping session, for example. Concerning the inside of a bag, you get a beautiful inside, very classic, not very damaged or marked, so it's quite good. Inside here as well, I got the authentication card from my client, so she didn't forget to give me the card. You also have the stickers around here, and you will get offered on this bag the entropy certificate plus our certificate, of course. The bag is worth 3,950 euro. I will try my best to give you the USD price. Sometimes it's a bit hard to juggle with everything because I also have a French YouTube channel where I give euro price, as we're basically based in Europe. We are from France, but live now in Barcelona. This is quite amazing living around here. If you are in the same position and you want like to maybe move abroad, Barcelona is actually quite a good base in Europe, and then you can travel like around. But it's a very good place to be right now, and it's a great city. It's a great city in a great country. Okay, now I want to present to you the Speedy size 30 in damier ébène that I just received. It's a beautiful classic bag. Damier ébène are a little bit rarest on the pre-loved market, I would say, comparing to the monogram ones. They were less sold in store, so you get less damier ébène on the pre-loved market. Corners are quite exceptional on this bag. Beautiful condition. Inside as well is just stunning. mini trace of use, I would say, but almost not visible. I'll try my best to show you, but otherwise on the website you get all the photos and description complete. It's a 2007 bag, so considered as vintage, but not vintage. Padlock and keys are with the bag. Price for this one, 1,090 euro. For my SLGs lovers, so this one is a small leather goods. Okay, it's a small pouch from Celine, vintage version. Hardware is a little bit tarnished. I love the fact that you open this one like this, like a doctor thing. So it's my paper. This is a great interior inside. Interior is said as for house, no? I don't know. You get a little pouch here, another one here, beautiful condition, and the price is 210 euro. This is a perfect one. Even the colors are just perfect. We love it, completely love it. And it can be like a little pouch to go out or in your bag, a makeup pouch. This one is the medium size. You get also the smallest one and you get a bigger one, depends. You have 3 or 4 different sizes for the vintage version, but looks lovely. You get the Celine logo here on the leather parts, a little bit darker, but beautiful. Honestly, very nice. To match with the pouch, you get the travel bag. Yes. So it can be a perfect combo. This is a size 45, perfect for a little getaway weekend. You get the padlock and the keys, like the condition is good. You have a beautiful hardware here. The only thing is that it was used, obviously it's a vintage, but you have some trace of wear on the bottom of the bag. Corners are lightly used, but not so much actually. I'm quite happy about it. Leather here on the front is beautiful, as well as the bottom, the back, sorry. And inside, I'm just gonna show you, it's very nice, and you get a little pouch here. Beautiful inside, honestly, and the price is completely insane. You have a price of 330 euro. It's less than most of the bags, Celine bags that we can get, actually. The pouch with the bag is less than 600 euro. It's not even the like pre-loved price for a couple bag. And you get like a set. The makeup or toiletry pouch plus the bag. It's stunning, and it also can fit in a cabin bag. This is the bag that you fit like in the cabin section here above your head in the plane. This is beautiful. I don't know what's your thoughts on this one. I really love the Celine travel bags. It's very different from the Kippols. It's a little bit less crying monogram, you know. I love both. I also received a long zipper wallet in good condition. Hardware is a little bit used here. The canvas is very good. Corners are actually good, very good, very, very nice. The zipper works very perfectly, and inside is so cute. This is the framboise violet inside, great condition. Hardware is a little bit used, but this is stunning here. I'm in love. Price for this one, let me give you the little price here. We have a price of 399 euro, and this is the recent one with the color on the inside. I don't know if I can find the year for you guys. Probably around here. I don't know. Yeah, it's so tiny sometimes, so hard to check. I think it's a 2019. Let's see on this, like let's check on the product page, but what I see here, 2019. I have more bags and accessories to show you, but they are already available on the website, so I really advise you to go there. I will finish this video here. I don't want to bother you with a very, very long video. I tend to make a little bit shorter videos here because it can be very long to present everything, and everything otherwise is on the website. If you need any pictures, videos, don't hesitate to ask me. Otherwise, everything is directly on the product page. I try to do my best to take photos where I wear the bags. I present the bags in every different area, I would say. Every detail. Sometimes it can be very big, but it's small in the end. But with the big flash and very close to the bag, it can get like very, wow, it's a lot, but it's small. But don't hesitate, I can also make like a video of the bag or the accessories that you're looking for. Also, we do personal shopping, so if you're looking for something specific, don't hesitate. What we're looking every time are the bags following Never Full, Alma Bébé, Speedy 20, Mini Kelly's, Kelly 25, Birkin 25, these Felicie pouch, these are the bags and accessories that we're looking for actively. Lady Dior's as well. So if you have them in your closet that you want to sell them, contact me because I have clients that are looking for these bags like very, very actively. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you've been through this whole video and that you're not subscribed yet. Put a thumbs up and I'll see you very soon for another video. Thank you again very much.